Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play games without crashing. First, close unnecessary background apps and update your GPU drivers to the latest stable version. Check game settings and lower textures or resolution when needed to reduce load. Verify game files through the launcher and install any patches. Consider adding more RAM or an SSD if frequent crashes persist. Restart your PC after major changes to ensure stability. Keep your system tidy to prevent game crashes and enjoy smoother sessions. Regularly clean dust from fans and check temperatures with monitoring tools while gaming. Use a reliable power supply and avoid overclocking when unstable errors occur. Keep Windows or your OS updated and set power plans to high performance for consistent frame rates. Backup save files and presets before making major tweaks so you can revert if a change causes crashes. When a game crashes, gather details to diagnose the cause and simplify troubleshooting. Note error messages, reproduce the crash, and test with default settings first to isolate problems. Run memory and disk checks, scan for corrupted files, and test with a different GPU or account if possible. Update or roll back drivers based on stability results and consult official forums for similar reports. Document each step so you can undo changes and communicate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.